And Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahushua, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahushua, Ba'ashem, Rakakwadash. Double honor to the apostles, the elders. Salutations to you, sincere brothers, teaching in truth and in sincerity. This lesson will be entitled A Greater Light to Rule the Day. Lord will, you are edified. My source, NY Post. And this article is entitled, China's Artificial Sun Burns 5 times hotter than the real thing. And it reads, China's artificial sun ran for 20 minutes at a whopping 70 million degrees in its latest experiment, 5 times hotter than the real sun. Scientists hope the machine will help harness the power of nuclear fusion, which would bring humanity one step closer to creating unlimited clean energy by mimicking reactions that naturally occur inside the sun. If the Most High wanted the sun to burn 5 times hotter than it does now, he would have instructed Yahushua to make it function in that capacity. And that's another reason we haste the day of Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushua, to set things back in order. Okay? Everything Yahushua and the 144,000 created from the blueprint of the Most High was perfect. It was good. It was complete. But here you go, Moab, so-called Chinese, thinking that they can do it better based on an idiotic purpose. Genesis 1:16, and the Elohim. In the Hebrew, God means Elohim, which means judges, powers. All right, when you break this down, meaning Yahushua and the 144,000 made 2 great lights. The greater light to rule the day, referring to the sun, and the lesser light to rule the night, referring to the moon. He made the stars also. He, referring to the Most High, Yahweh. Again, everything we see and don't see, Yahushua and the 144,000 created from the blueprint of Yahweh. Okay? That is the reason why he is in this scripture. 17, and the Elohim set them in the firmament of the heaven, referring to the sky, to give light on the earth. Verse 18, and to rule over the day and over the night, and to divide the light from the darkness. And the Elohim saw that it was good, meaning it was perfect, complete. Okay? There's no need to make another one. Okay? Ecclesiastes chapter 17 and verse 31. What is brighter than the sun? Yet the light thereof fail, meaning what? The sun has its order. Okay? It shines for 12 hours of the day, right? And then it dims because the moon has to do her thing. Okay? and flesh and blood will imagine evil. Case in point, Moab creating an artificial sun that burns 5 times than the real sun. This is evil. Another point, what is brighter than the sun? Let's jump to Ecclesiastes chapter 23 and verse 19. Such a man only fear the eyes of men, and know not that the eyes of the Lord are 10,000 times brighter than the sun. The eyes of the Lord is brighter than the sun. 10,000 times brighter. Moab created an artificial sun that burns 5 times than the sun. However, regarding the eyes of the Lord, 10,000 times brighter than the sun. Beholding all the ways of men, meaning what? Our actions, and considering the most secret parts. And you can equate the NWO. All right. The Most High gave the nobility of Edom this imagination. Okay. And he used Satan to inspire them. However, let me stay on point. The focal point is a greater light to rule the day. Let's jump to Ecclesiastes 42 and verse 16. The sun that give light look on all things, and the work thereof is full of the glory of the Lord. All right. The sun's purpose manifests the glory of Yahweh B'Shem Yahushua. Okay. When it rises, okay, it's showing the glory of the Most High. When it burns the way it burns, it's showing the glory of the Most High. When it sets, it's showing the glory of Yahweh B'Shem Yahushua. Ecclesiastes 43 and verse 1. The pride of the height, the clear firmament, the beauty of heaven with his glorious show. The sun when it appears, declaring at his rising a marvelous instrument. The sun is classified as a marvelous instrument, the work of the Most High. At noon it parched the country, meaning what? At noontime, the sun is at its highest position or point. At noon it parched the country, and who can abide the burning heat thereof? Now back in the 80s, 90s, all the way up until now, in the summertime, in the South, shit. It's hot here, man. Verse 4. A man blowing a furnace is in works of heat, but the sun burned the mountains 3 times more. Okay? The sun was made perfect, breathing out fiery vapors. Those sun rays and sending forth bright beams, it dimmed the eyes. Try to look at the sun, goddammit. You'll go blind. Verse 5. Great is the Lord that made it, and at his commandment run hastily. All right, so the sun obeys the will of Yahweh B'Shem Yahushua. A greater light to rule the day. Lord will you edified. Shalom.